Hi guys, it's Russ from Hit the Trail. Thanks for joining me. Just a little update. This kit that we've got here, all of this is going to a scout group in West Sussex. They contacted us and they asked us if we could help them out, and of course we said yes. What is it that you need? So what they were looking for was a Robens Klondike PRS. I think this is probably going to be used as a leader's tent. This is a 6-man tent, or a base camp tent maybe. Then we've got a whole load of tarps. Tarps are really good. You can use them for so many different things. This is a 3 metre, and then we've got a 4 metre as well. So maybe being used as kitchen shelters or eating shelters, possibly for groups to sleep out under, to cover kit. There's so many different things that you could use these for. And then we've got a Voyager 3EX. Again, I think this is being used for a leader. This is a 3-man tent. So a whole load of Robens gear. Robens is just one of the brands that we stock in the store. We've got Osprey, we've got Primus, Silver, obviously Ordnance Survey. Oh, there's a whole load. You can just look on the website and you'll see them. So just to summarise, if you're a group, if you're a scout group, a college, a DofE group, and you're looking for some help with equipment, and you're looking at buying some multiples of different things, please get in touch and we will help you. We fully understand that keeping the pennies in the kitty is really important, and the more you can stretch it, the more equipment you can have. Please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. By subscribing, you'll see when more videos come out of a whole load of different things. I look at equipment, show equipment, review equipment, and we keep up to date with all the different things that are going on. All the details about all of the equipment we have is on our website. I'll put a link in the description below. And just again guys, thanks for watching and thanks for all your support.